Slaying a lot. Come on. Oh, we have fun. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Disco honey. If you like it as much as I do, buckle up. Let's make some baits. Alright. Let's do this. 30 drops per cup, 4 cups. 120 drops, 120 drops is 3 milliliters. Let's fill her up to the top line. Yoink. Here we go. This color is so nice. Rootbeer dye, number 258 from Lureworks. I love it. This is only really the second time I've ever used it, and I don't have any long-standing baits using it. This one will probably stick. It started off as a Whatnot exclusive, but we'll see. If it's crazy popular, it may get an upgrade. Oh, there it goes. That's nice. Amber. Have to admit, it doesn't really look like my favorite root beer. Barks is basically black. Barks has bite. Barks is the best. I'll fight you. Come at me, bro. Barks is money. Mug's good, but Barks is the best. I'm not so much an A&W guy. Let's start it. Let's start a root beer war. Alright, here we go. Now, we are using Electric Shad. That might be too close. I don't know. Electric Shad by 8-Bit Baits, Siren scales. I'm going to do, let's see, in this 4 cups, I'm going to go a big quarter, 1 big quarter. We're going to go a half. That's 8. That's an 1/8 per. I got a whole nother one of these to do, and we'll start off with that. I may add some to the shooting star when I'm done. These things, there's just so little in them. And I just started doing 6-cup batches, even though this is a 4-cup here. I got another 4-cup. I got another 4-cup in the microwave now, and then I have 2 2-cups waiting. So it will be a total of 12 cups in the shooting star today. So I may end up splitting the rest of, man, that really clumped up in there. Splitting the rest of this break up just into the pots. And maybe I shouldn't stack this up like I do regular flake. I should probably sprinkle it evenly across the top. See if it will not clump as bad. Okay, went ahead and added 1 more 1/4 teaspoon. Kind of see it there in the top. It's got decent distribution. Still a couple of clumps. I'm gonna trust the shooting star to break that up. So we're gonna go ahead and cook everything else up. I'm gonna do it to the same ratio, and then if we have any of the siren scales left over, I will just dump them evenly into each pot. So I'll do my best on the recipe part at the end. Okay, so quick update on what I ended up doing. Across 12 cups of plastic, I just emptied it. All of the electric shad is gone. Evenly between 6 cups in one pot, 6 cups in the other. So 12 cups total. Took the entire container of Siren Scales electric shad. And then I did 30 drops per cup of Lureworks root beer dye number 258. And we're gonna see how that looks. I may, if I don't like the ratio of Siren scales, I may add, got about half a container left of Ursula Siren scales. And I think that purple in there with this color alongside the blue of the electric shad would play well together. So we're gonna shoot, I'm gonna let this mix for a minute. Oh, and I did scent these. I'm starting to scent my baits. Now don't go to my website and buy a bunch of baits and be like, these aren't scented. I just started, so most of my baits aren't yet, but I am using scent on my baits. So I did put 3 milliliters of scent in each cup. So there's 6 milliliters of scent also across the 12 cups. I will break this down if you don't want to do a 12 cup batch. As always, there will be a recipe card at the end broken down per cup, but I haven't done that math yet. Just want to do a quick update. So let's let this do its thing for a minute, work bubbles out, get mixed in, hopefully break up some of those clumps of the Siren scales, and then we'll run one test, probably on a rig, unrigged, see how that looks, see if there's enough Siren scales in it. If not, we're gonna dump a crap ton of Ursula in there and see how that looks. All right, so stay tuned. Let's see how she works out. All right, let's check it out. Let's shoot one, see what it looks like. See, don't need much plastic for just one. Hey, I really love the color. One bait. Looks super clear. Definitely worked any bubbles out. And it's a new 5-gallon bucket, so there are barely any bubbles to begin with. So this should be a really nice looking batch. Now we just let it cool. It looks good there. We'll see how it looks in the whole bait. Man, I got it all over the place though. I could have more if I didn't go all over the place. We'll be back. Okay. Every time. Never fails. Come on, look good. Okay. Man, it's close. It's close. You see, let you guys see what I'm seeing. I like it. I definitely like the color popping through that. It's a good color. I guess there are, I need to let it run for a little bit more. There are still some micro bubbles. Actually, some of that when I turn it is actually popping as Siren scales, tiny little pieces, but that's nice. I don't know what it, I think I want more. I think I want more. It does need to run a little bit longer. I'm gonna let it run for about another 20 minutes. I'll have my stirrers up. Ooh, I do have my stirrers up high. That's fine. Turn them down. That's a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna cut this up, put this back in. We're gonna put some of the Ursula in there. I mean, if you follow my channel, you know I love purple, so it ain't breaking my heart to have to put some purple in there. Yeah, I think we need to do that. A little bit of purple. I'll go, we got 6 cups in each. I'm gonna go, if I can, a full half of a teaspoon per pot. It's not adding a ton, but ooh, there's a big flake. That's nice. I didn't see that before. That's cool looking. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw half of a teaspoon per pot, so 1 teaspoon total to the 12 cups in the Ursula 8-bit Siren scales, and then we'll shoot another one and see what it looks like. All right, let's give it another shot. Went ahead and added the Ursula, and I let it sit. It's been about another 20-25 minutes, so hopefully the bubbles have been worked out. We're about to find out. We're gonna do it together. Oh yeah, I don't need that much plastic. Just shooting one day. I'm gonna prime it again though. Come on, I need to know this thing down. We'll go that way through. There we go. All right. Here we go. All right. 1 count. cavity. Okay. And we will demold momentarily. Be right back. Alright. Did I ever turn that back on? I might not have. Probably should do that before I shoot again. Alright. Ooh, that's better. Okay. Ratio is definitely better. There's some bubbles in there, but I think that's from the injector. I think I need to change out the O-ring possibly, because those aren't micro. It's just a couple of big little imperfections. That's going to be in the injector. It's been a minute since I changed those O-rings. But yeah. That is better. I like the combination of the color actually. Yeah, see that? Those little dimples there? That's not micro, that's just injector. That looks good though. I like it. I like it. I'm happy with it. We're going to go with that. Alright. But this one, we'll go back in. I'll melt it back down. Alright, yeah. So let me do that. Let me address my injector issues. Find my O-rings. But anyway, I'll do that. We'll be right back. Alright, so I just went ahead and ran through all 12 cups of the plastic. And boy, does this color look sweet. Disco Honey is here to stay, baby. Like I say, this will be on my Whatnot. As for now, an exclusive Whatnot color. So come and check me out. Screenshot time. If you make baits, here's the recipe. Yeah, I've broken it down to per 1 cup, so you can make small batches of this if you like. If you don't make baits and you want to check out my other colors, you can check out Bent Rod Fishing USA right there. That's my website. Or, and I highly encourage you to do this, come on over to Whatnot and check out my show. I have one this Friday, July 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This color will be for sale there. It is a Whatnot exclusive color. You won't find it on my website. There are a lot of colors that I'll be selling there that you won't find on my website. And if you've never been on Whatnot, check out the description in this video. Sign up through that link and they will give you $25 in credit to use at my show. Free money, baby. Let's do it. Hope to see you there. Stay bent.